It's ketchup time! Hi guys!
Do you have broken toys and old jars or bottles?
Instead of throwing it away, let's use it to make our own mason jar.
We will need
Old or broken unwanted toys.
jars or bottles with lid or cover,
Spray paint.
sandpaper,
Glue stick.
glue gun or candle,
Start rubbing the sandpaper on the toy's outer surface.
This will make the toy's texture rough.
This is important.
The rough texture will help the paint stick better.
Use glue stick with the glue gun or candle to attach the toy on top of the lid.
We used broken pieces from our old toys. Now it's ready to be painted.
We use silver paint.
You can experiment with other colors too.
If you don't have spray paint, you can also use acrylic paint. Leave it overnight.
Now you can put your knickknacks inside the jars.
Our unwanted toys and jars are now perfect for storing.
And it is decorative too.
It's a win-win.
Amazing!